Hey guys, welcome to Leap Scholar. My name is Saket and today we will talk about top universities in the UK where international students can study without IELTS. These universities offer entry into the degree programs based on your 12th English scores. Do note that most universities accept CBSE and ICSE English scores only. For students from other boards who do not meet English entry requirements, keep watching this video until the end and I will talk about how you can study in the UK without IELTS. Before we start, here's a fun question for you. Which is the UK's national dish? Let me give you a hint. It originated in the Indian subcontinent and is one of the most famous dishes in India as well. I will answer the question at the end of the video, so keep watching. Now, let's begin. Number 1 on my list is the Arts University Bournemouth. Known for its programs in areas of art, design, media and performance, the university is located in the beautiful seaside city of Bournemouth. The university is also rated gold in the Teaching Excellence Framework or the TEF ratings by the British government. It has also won Queen's Anniversary Prize for further and higher education, which makes it a great place to study. It accepts students from CBSE and ICSE boards with 70% or above in their 12th English. The tuition fee is pretty affordable and ranges between £10,000 to £18,000. Next on my list is University of Chester. Dating back to 1839, the University of Chester is the 5th oldest higher education establishment in England, with only universities of Oxford, Cambridge, Durham and London outdating it. The university offers a varied range of programs including medicine, business, life sciences, humanities, education and social sciences. The good news is that Indian students from CBSE or ICSE boards with 65% in their 12th English receive IELTS waiver from the university. It's a highly rated university and is a member of several prestigious bodies such as the AACSB International. The tuition fee ranges between £12,000 to £18,000 per year, making it a highly affordable option. Number 3 on my list is a favorite amongst international students, Coventry University. With its campuses in Coventry and London, the university attracts thousands of international students each year into a number of programs that are highly rated for their teaching quality and graduate employability. It accepts students with 65% in 12th English not just from CBSE and ICSE boards, but from Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand and West Bengal state boards as well. The tuition fee at Coventry ranges between £11,000 to £20,000 depending on the course and specialization. Number 4 on my list is University of Bristol. One of the highly rated universities globally, Bristol is ranked 62nd in the world by QS and amongst top 100 globally by Times Higher Education. The university accepts students from CBSE and ICSE boards with 80% or above in 12th English. The university is also ranked 58th globally for its graduate employability by the QS and is a top choice for international students wanting to study in one of the most renowned UK universities, part of the Russell Group. Studying at Bristol is however expensive as the tuition fee is between £18,000 to £27,000 depending on the choice of your program. Last on my list is another highly ranked university in the UK that is also a part of Russell Group, University of Warwick. Warwick is a top choice for Indian students intending to study at one of the most prestigious universities in the UK. The university is ranked 61st by the QS and 77th by Times Higher Education in their global rankings. The university is also home to Warwick Business School, one of the few business schools globally holding the Triple Crown accreditation from AACSB International, IQUIS and Association of the MBAs. The university accepts students with 70% plus scores in CBSE and ICSE 12th English. However, some programs may require 80 or 85%. The tuition fee at Warwick is between £19,000 to £26,000 per annum depending on the program. Now let us talk about the students who did not study in CBSE or ICSE boards and cannot meet the English language requirements. Most universities in the UK offer a pre-sessional English course, also known as PSC, to students to study at the university without IELTS. Now you'll ask me, Saket, what is a pre-sessional course? Well, it's a course designed specially for international students who do not meet English language requirements to study for a degree program. It starts before the scheduled intake and varies between 5 to 15 weeks depending on the level of the student. However, do note that the tuition fee for the course is not included into your degree program and varies between 1900 to 5000 pounds from university to university. Students can choose from a number of intakes in year, including March, May, June and July, depending on the availability. So that's it. If you liked today's video, do press the like and subscribe button so that I can keep making such videos for you. Also, if you're thinking of applying to top ranking universities in the UK such as Warwick, LSE, King's College, Imperial College or UCL for 2022 intake, the right time to start prepping is now. So, any guesses on the UK's national dish? Let me answer it for you. It's chicken tikka masala. Surprising, right? It was hailed as a symbol of modern and multicultural Britain in 2001 in a speech by British Foreign Secretary Robin Cook. Hope you loved today's video and I'll see you in the next one.